Hello. Um, no, I'm a little late, but I'm showing my scenario of week 2. I know we're on week 4, but I'm going to catch up. So, on number 1, we're doing the scenario where I'm on the first week of the job as a database administrator. I need to get a survey of the land, and I need to take a look at how everything is set up. So, on the databases that we have, um, I chose the recipes example, and I'm supposed to look at the bowling league and the wide world importers to see the system tables, their names, their date they were created, and when they were last modified. So by running this query, I will do that. So these are the tables for worldwide in importers. These are the tables for recipes, and these are the tables for bowlers, the dates created and when they were last modified. Okay, so there's that. Number 2, I'm supposed to show the queries of it should include the name of the column, the name of the table that it belongs to, and the current maximum length of that column. Okay. It has the name on it. So I'll show that with this. So these are the columns that has the name in it, and the table that it belongs to, and the maximum length. This is for worldwide importers, bowlers, and ingredients. Recipes, I mean. Number 3 is broken down in 3 parts. I first need to query the results of the file names, file location, and file size that are greater than or equal to 1024, which is the number of pages. And then I need to query the results, and which the full size are in megabytes. So I need to run a function to get that, and I need to compare it on my Explorer to see that the actual calculation match with the second one. So I'll do that. I need to use the master database because I'm looking at all of it. So first, I'm gonna take a look at the ones that are more than 1024. So only the bowling and the worldwide importers uh, have any that are less than or more than or equal to 1024 in page size. And then this is in size in megabytes. The recipes example don't have any that are equal to or greater than. So that's interesting. Then I'm gonna use the function. So these are the numbers in megabytes. And then let me run this one again to get the location. Okay, so should be bowling league example. Bowling league example. It's 8 megabytes. And bowling league example log should also be 8 megabits or bytes. Worldwide importers. Worldwide importers. This one. So it's 100 megabytes, roughly. And the log, worldwide importers log is stored as IDF. The log, this is the log file, is 100. So it's similar. Well, it is exactly 100. So it is correct. Next, number 4, 2 items that I discovered in the data dictionary that are interesting and why I believe they're important. Um, I'm not sure, but the ones that I found interesting are these two. So first, I used the master database to take a look at the databases and see their compatibility level. So I didn't know about this, but here this is the compatibility level is a integer corresponding to the version of SQL Server of which a behavior is compatible. So depending on the version of SQL Server, it's the compatibility that the database is compatible with. So all of our databases are 150, so they're compatible with SQL Server 150, 2019 or later. So anything 2017 or earlier are not compatible. I assume that's what it means. So I think that's very important if you're a new administrator and you need to see the compatibility of your databases. The other one is this one that takes a look at the maximum number of columns that has used each table in a database. So I chose the recipes example, and each table on this database has had a maximum number of columns of 2 and so forth, because even if you delete a column after you create it, it is stored as the ID of the column. So I think that's important to know if the IDs maybe not much in your columns, like you only see one, but you see that the ID of the column is 2, then it's because number 1 was erased or dropped. And that's my scenario. Thank you for watching.